Badman forward, Badman pull up. That was a big song back in 2006 for Ding Dong. Let's get the backstory behind this hit in our Fiwi culture segment.
So we sing, say, Badman forward, Badman pull up. Badman forward, Badman pull up.
Oh, Badman forward came out now is like everybody did stop on Willie Bunks. Me just a come up now as a youth in the streets where people are look on now and I say, all right, Ray, I say, I have to go build a dance. So I say, I want to build something where not people forget about Willie Bunks, but people want change now. People want to do something different, but because nothing else not there for do, it can't do. So I start off with the movement first in Nannyville. Start off with the movement then with my peers and my brethren them. And then we do an England tour. And that's when we fully developed the dance over England.
Rap and pop off with the Badman pull up. Badman forward, Badman pull up. Harder from Nannyville I do the Badman pull up.
Ricky Blaze called me and said, yo, man, I have a rhythm. Rhythm bad. The only thing me hear upon it is Badman forward. And I say, what? I say, all right, when I come up, we make the link. In a Future Vibes record store. And Ricky Blaze say, yo, see the rhythm here? Badman forward me hear upon it then. And because me so anxious, because I want to look there in terms of create a dance now where people will gravitate to me. Say, all right, Ricky, the people them like the dance, come. We go through at the same time. Badman forwarded the record in like about 15 or probably 14, 15 minutes. Zine? And when we do it straight. Straight. It never, no endings never double, no bridge, no nothing at all, it's straight. The engineer were there, I chop it up and fix it. So we say, yo, how much you do this? He say, yo, just give me $40, man. Take this song, come out of the studio, man. And just give it. The song we hear today, Badman forward, it don't mix or master or nothing. It's just the raw song that come out of the studio.
The whole of Brooklyn I do the Badman pull up. New York you I do the Badman pull up.
I call Mataran and I say, Magic, boss, I have a dance in it named Badman forward, Badman pull up. And him say, no, cut the name, it's too long. And I say, Magic, I nah cut no name. Everybody ever say it. And him say, all right, my son, anything I say. We got one party named Chaka Chaka. I remember like the first time it ever played in a party. Chaka Chaka. And to lift up the club, they said Future Vibes, say, all right, here we are going to do. We have to go work this at Jamaica area. I'm just come straight to Jamaica with the song. First time it played in a party was from my corner. I test it out, day rave, and then ready, play it. And the same night it played on a Passa Passa. And it played on a Passa Passa. Jeez! About 50 times. At my so liquor rich, everybody.
Canadian crew I do the Badman pull up. Toronto crew I do the Badman pull up. Badman forward, Badman pull up.
Badman forward now, remember go sign to VP at one point. It start give me like the credit I need as the next big dancer or the next big thing out of Jamaica dancehall wise after Bogle and the Janite and everything. So that was a starting point for me.
So would you be okay if your partner had a best friend from the opposite gender? For me, it's a definite no. But let's hear some responses from the public in this week's Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree?
Well, I believe say after a certain... Yeah man, I tell you true, man. After a certain age, it don't really make no sense because our boyfriend and me are supposed to be our best friend. You understand? So no.
No problem.
No, me not alright with that.
Oh, you don't alright?
Yes,
okay.
yeah. Pretty. I'm not to do something. Because me personally, I have been in that situation. I know where that I go. So, no.
So like Shaboni was the best friend?
No man, I was the best friend at one point. You see it? But no, personally, I'm not too into that type of stuff then.
No. See, I'm a man who I like to tell my girl to go out and socialize, you know. She can have friends, she can have acquaintances, but best friend means that it's close.
As Yanar, in our argument, him first shaka.
Yeah, I don't want nobody to feel like say, yo, as soon as I slip up, I have a chance to slide in. No, none of that. But she definitely can have friends and acquaintances, but not best friend.
Situation there. I'm pretty, you understand? So, yeah, just slow that one there alone.
No, for many reasons.
Give me a couple of them.
Alright, so we can speak on the psychological reasons. We all know that we're men, right? And as a man, you know, say, yo, a girl if you're a friend or there's more than likely say, oh, you want something beyond that. You're attracted to her, you find her attractive. I don't think you can ever fully be platonic. It can happen, you know. There are instances, it's just that for my girl, I don't want that happen because dog will just wait for we left. Just wait for that happen and just, you know, take him turn, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't mind. Not because she's a woman, that doesn't mean, you know what I mean, it can't be a best friend. I have most of my best friends are male.
So would you be okay if your partner had a best friend from the opposite gender? Let us know on all our social media platforms at Pree the Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course the comment section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
Alright, my side. Unfortunately, we're at the end of another episode of Pree the Show. But don't worry yourself, you don't know we'll be back next week. Until then, I'm your boy Naldo Addy. Peace.